Hi! Today I'm going to show you how I did this pink rose witch kind of look. And yeah, let's get to the makeup.
Okay, so as usual, I already applied my base makeup, which is a liquid foundation and a powder, and I also put in my circ lenses. Right now I'm taking a light pink eyeshadow and I'm using that as a blush and I'm applying it pretty heavily. I'm also going to use the same eyeshadow as a base and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. The next step is to take a hot pink eyeshadow. I'm applying this one to the inner and outer corners on both the upper and the lower eyelid. And also a little bit on the tip of my nose. Of course, you should not forget to blend this all. And I also applied a little bit of a darker pink, but you don't really see it. And I applied a mixture of the hot pink and the light pink to the corners of my mouth and edges of my lips. So now it's time to apply the freckles. I'm using a white face paint for this, and this sponge, which is kind of like a special effects sponge, and this is the easiest method to apply freckles. They look really realistic, of course, if they aren't white, and yeah, this is like my favorite method to apply freckles. Here I'm doing a bit more blending. And I'm also applying some highlighter on the center of my eyelids and my tear bags, tip of my nose, nose bridge, brow bones, cheekbones, cupid's bow, everything. So right here I'm using the face paint to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And right here I'm doing something which is incredibly stupid. Do not put water-based products on your waterline. It will burn, it will hurt, it will bleed into your eye. You can see it right here, like it's already irritating. I'm still carrying on, I don't know why. And then you're just looking stupid and crying off your freckles. So while I'm crying because I'm stupid, I'm also applying the face paint to my lashes, and that is completely safe. That doesn't burn, so just keep it on the lashes, not in your eye. And I'm also using it to color my eyebrows. Starting off with white face paint also really works for any kind of colored eyebrows if your eyebrows are really dark. I also try to make them a little bit pink, but it doesn't really show on camera. And here is the last step, and in my opinion the most fun one, and that's applying the stars, just stickers from a craft store with spirit gum.
So my camera died, but in the meantime I just stuck on some more stars to my face to put on a wig. And this hat, this witch hat, has roses all around and it's made by me. And if you really like this hat, you can buy it. It is in my Etsy store, link will be in the description below, because how much I like it, I cannot keep everything that I make, so maybe you can give it a new home. Anyways, to finish my makeup, I'm going to add some gloss and lipstick to my lips. First is this pink lip pencil. And next is this darker colored gloss. And that's pretty much it. I had no idea how this look was going to turn out. I don't really wear short wigs that much, but in the end I really like how this looks all together. Check out my Etsy shop. I sell all kinds of handmade stuff, and yeah. If you like this video and if you want to see some more, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye guys.